Fleet Canada Inc. is a proudly Canadian-owned and operated aerospace manufacturer that specializes in detailed part fabrication, advanced composites, metal-to-metal bonding, and airframe assembly for commercial, military, and civil programs. Housed in a 500,000 square foot facility in Fort Erie, Ontario, Fleet produces detailed parts for complex assemblies and supplies the global aerospace industry, including industry leaders such as Boeing, Airbus, Bombardier, and Viking Air. Quality and accuracy are paramount in our line of business, and the jigs and fixtures we use to maximize production efficiency and increase reliability in these areas need recurrent certification to ensure that they are compliant with specific tolerances demanded by our customers. Since 2015, Fleet has relied on WAMIC's metrology expertise and precision equipment to assist us in satisfying this important aspect of our operations. Our partnership has seen Fleet invest over $118,000 in technical services through WAMIC, roughly $67,000 of which has been in the last 5-year period. WAMIC's service standards, professionalism, and ability to meet tight schedules and specialized equipment mean that we can focus our efforts, saving time and resources, while leveraging their complementary expertise as part of our team. Many key individuals on our team are NC grads, including myself as the plant manager, and we have a recruitment pipeline that feeds into the engineering technology programs for new talent. WAMIC also brings increased value in this area since a number of student and graduate employees of the center work at Fleet. The center de-risks the hiring process as research assistants gain hands-on training with specialized equipment working directly in our facilities on technical services, allowing us to observe capabilities and potential, all of which saves us time and resources. WAMIC has proven itself to be a trusted partner, contributing to our success.